One of the fondest memories of my childhood was how every year as Christmas approached, my Uncle Ted would set up the electric train underneath their Christmas tree. Yes, there's a magic that exists with electric trains and the spirit of Christmas. Share the magic of the holiday season with your family by taking them to the Cape Fear Model Railway Society Holiday Train Expo 2013, located at 705 South Kerr Avenue in Wilmington, North Carolina. The event runs every Saturday and Sunday from November 29th all the way up to December 22nd, from 1 to 6 p.m. Share the magic of the model trains with your family. Let your children see the many different sizes of trains with all kinds of festive displays at the Cape Fear Model Railway Society Holiday Train Expo. It's located once again at 705 South Kerr Avenue in Wilmington, North Carolina. This spectacular event only happens one time a year. It is an awesome experience for any member of the family. Bring the joy of Christmas with a great season opener by taking your family to the Cape Fear Model Railway Society Holiday Train Expo 2013, located at 705 South Kerr Avenue, Wilmington, North Carolina. It's open every Saturday and Sunday until December 22nd from 1 to 6 p.m. The Holiday Train Expo with something for everyone.